Hello, pui kania he video hian parts of speech noun chung chang Mizo chongin karon soi fia don ani. What is noun? Everything in the world has a name. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, thing, event, and an idea. Enge noun kan ti chuan thil hming eng po tin kan soi china he khovele chunga om zong zong le apona mi te po hian hming an nei vek ani. Person mihring emaw animal ransa le nungcha emaw place hmun hming thing thil eng emaw event thil thleng soinan le idea kan rilrua om soinana kan hman ang te hi noun kan ti chu ani. Tuna pakhat te in kan lo zir chiang anga. A person implies to an individual, male and female. Person kan ti chu mihring mipa le hmeichhia soina ani a. An animal implies to a living thing that can move, eat and react. Animal kan ti chu ransa le nungcha soina ani a. And tirnan tiger, eagle, whale. A place implies to a particular location. Place to hmun hming soina ania and tirnan in, school, hospital, park. Thing implies to concrete things able to perceive by five senses, as well as abstract elements unable to perceive by five senses. Thing kan ti chu thil engkim soina ania. Thil nung le nung lo te mu thei le thei lo te soina atan kan hmang thin amai ro chu mihring soinan kan hmang ngai lo and tirnan table, apple, dog, dream. Event implies a plan or social occasion that happens or takes place, especially one of importance. Event to til thleng poimo big soina ani a and tirnan chapchar good, birthday, wedding and Christmas. Idea implies to thought, feelings or emotions. Idea kan ti chu kan rilrua om soina ani a kan thin rim na te lungten zong te hlau na te lungai na le hlim na ang te hi noun vek an ni. Khati zong kha tuna tan chuan ni phot se lo thlir sakawangin kalome.